And we have connected a positive to 2 and negative to 3, and this is not used and this is not used in the power supply, so that 2 connection should go for ground. And here we need to give, for 4 we need to give minus, so therefore I am using a black terminal. From here we need to connect it for 4.
Where it is shown here?
For 4 you need to connect negative. Okay, for 4 you need to connect negative. Here also it is shown for 4 negative, for 4 negative. And here from positive we need to use, don't use this power supply, we have to use another power supply. From positive we need to connect it for 7. Now again this is left out and this is also left out. Same thing, we need to connect it for ground. Short it and give it to ground, or you can directly connect it to ground. Directly give it for ground. Now giving power supplies, everything is over. Now we need to connect only the diodes. So this is a positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. Whichever has a silver band, that is a negative terminal. So that positive terminal should go for 6.